Yeah, don't you cut me out, cause bitch, I really cut your mouth. Tryna check me out, cause bitch, I'm tryna make it out. Hey, don't you cut me out, cause bitch, I really cut you out. Spin a block.
What's up, you guys? Fitz here. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I'm trying to post a lot more often on YouTube, so I'm just gonna make this quick video on product research, since I get a lot of questions about how to find a good product and what makes a good product and all those different type of questions. So obviously product research, that's one of the biggest questions people have when starting dropshipping. I get that question a lot. It's one of the biggest struggles dropshippers face this year and pretty much like forever, honestly. So honestly, it's pretty easy to find products. Anybody could find, like I said, anybody could find 100 products, but the difficult thing to do is to, you find 20, 30 products, and then you're like, damn, which one do I choose? Should I choose this one or this one? And a lot of people just end up guessing and going with whatever they think, whatever they like, or whatever they think would work best, but that's honestly not the best way to do it. So one thing I'm going to say about product research is you need to be really strict with the criteria that you choose when looking for products. You need to obviously have some sort of rating system or criteria that every product should meet. I'll go over what exactly that is in a little, but one thing you guys need to remember is what you like or what you think is going to work. That's like the last thing that matters. You shouldn't touch the product based off what you think is going to work, or because let's say you like video games and you see a video game product. Don't choose a product just because you like it. That's not what's going to get you to find a winning product, obviously. Like I said, if it doesn't meet the criteria, you shouldn't even touch it or test it at all. You're just going to end up wasting your money. You're not going to get the best out of testing out of your money when testing the product and spending money. Obviously you want to get the best results you can. Instead of testing 20, 30 products and finding one, you spent $100 per product. That's $2,000, $3,000 you just wasted, when you could have had a better criteria, and you could have met all those things, and then if just testing one or two products, you could find the winner. So it's not about what you like. It's not about what niche you're into, nothing like that. So definitely don't go based off what you like. And also one thing I want to say is it's not I know a lot of people, or like every YouTube video out there says, oh, it needs to, it gives you those basic criteria to meet. It has to either be a problem-solving product, or has to have that wow factor, has to grab your attention, has to have a good margin. But at the end of the day, that's not what you should do, because that's literally what everybody's doing. Everybody's choosing a product based on those three main things, like problem solving, solves a big problem, or it catches your attention. And obviously it's good to have these criterias. These are three very important ones, but the more, like I said before, the more criteria you have, the better your offer you're going to be, and the better chance you are of it working. So it's not about like I said, it's not about just choosing those little three criterias. You got the more criteria that your product has to meet, the more strict you are on it, the better chance of it working. So all right, so let's get into what are the key product criteria. We're gonna go over a couple. Obviously I can't give them all out. If you guys want to really know everything I do and get my system and you're serious about making this work, then hit me up on Instagram and we can talk about working one-on-one in my mentorship program. I'll definitely give you guys every single criteria, but I just want to go over a couple really quick. So the first one, this one's really, really important, and I'll tell you why. So the first one is upsell potential. Does it make sense to buy more than one? And this is pretty obvious. Obviously, if you're able to sell more than one, that's you kind of want to make it a no-brainer to get more than one. So a good example of this is the reusable water balloons that were trending this summer. So if somebody comes to your site and buys, comes and tries to get these reusable water balloons from you, they're obviously going to get more than one. It's pretty much a no-brainer. It's like, if you're not just going to go play around in the outside with one water balloon. Obviously you want to buy more. People want to buy more than one. So this is going to give you the ability to be able to upsell them and bundle them into, to raise your average order value and, give people a better deal and a better perceived value and a better, just they think they're getting a better deal when you give them more than one for a better price. But you got to do the math on your margins, and obviously don't bundle it to a ridiculous price that's super cheap and doesn't make sense for you, where you're not going to be profiting. You obviously want to make it profitable for you still, but at the end of the day, you want to make it so that they think they're getting a better deal, you know what I mean? So like I said, you want to definitely sell products that have the potential to upsell, and you're able to sell them more than one, and they're able to come back to your site, just buying more than one. If you're just selling a product that people are just going to buy once, then you don't really have a long-term business there. You just got a one-time drop shipping store. It's gonna make you money, but it's not gonna, it's like you're not gonna have returning customers, and you're not gonna be able to build the lifetime value of your customers. So that's definitely an important one. Able to bundle them. Also, another example is the dog harness that people that for dog harness for dogs, where you can get the custom names on there. Obviously, a lot of people have more than one dog, so it makes sense for them to buy more than one of these. So yeah, that's just a really important criteria. This is gonna, this could take your store from not profitable to profitable just by, most people selling more than one. It raises your or buying more than one. It raises your average order value, and that's gonna be super important when you're running ads. And obviously, you guys are gonna, realize that if you haven't ran ads already, that this is super key, and you definitely want to keep this in mind when you're choosing your product. So number 2, and this is also super important, the potential for really good creatives. A lot of times I'll choose products just because they have there's already really good content out there for them. This is really important just because with TikTok, especially right now, that's what I'm doing. You have to cycle in tons of creatives every week. Every week you got to be able to, come up with 2 to 5 new creatives every week, so that your ads don't die off. Instead of making new ads, you want to, with TikTok, it's all about creatives. So you're going to want to choose a product that has the potential to make creatives very easily. And like I said, just choosing products based on these criteria alone is going to make your life way easier. Like I said before, instead of running 20, 30 products and having one of them work, you're able to run like five products, and then three or four of them work. So that's gonna obviously save you a lot of money, and at the end of the day, just make your life a lot easier. So I just wanted to go in here and show you guys a couple of these product research methods that you guys can use right now to find some products. One of them that I'm going to show you first is the auction TikTok's Creative Center, where you can go in here and they show you their top performing ads. So first you want to this don't really matter. You can come in here and select different categories and stuff. But you just want to set conversions, and then you can put it by, you can set it by likes. You can do this. I would just put it like top. Actually, this is the top 1 to 20, top 21 to 40, and this one. Or you could just leave this all, put all of them, or don't click any of them. You could just look at all of them. And then you can choose the date, the time frame here, 7 days or 30 days. So I'll just leave it at 7 days. And then up here, if you go through here, you're gonna realize you're gonna find a lot of ads that don't really make sense for what you're doing for dropshipping. But if you come in here and you see it says trendy searches, you can put 50% off. And then boom, now you're seeing tons and tons of dropshipping products. And this is honestly one of the top ways I find products, and very easily. And you can see obviously there's a ton of products here that you can use. But like I said, you guys want to make sure you're choosing your products based off that criteria. And there's more criteria than just that. If you guys are really serious about this and want to really learn all the criteria to have the best chance of a product working for you and your store working, then just hit me up on Instagram and we could talk about it. We can talk about how I could help you guys out with my mentorship. But yeah, let's just scroll through here. So let's see. So this, for example, This is like a headache. It's like a pad for your head that you put in the freezer and it cools your head. So this kind of makes sense. You could upsell it because people are gonna want them for, for them and their friend or their girlfriend or their boyfriend or their family members. And there's also a lot of good creatives out here for this. Is you can very easily make creatives for that with just yourself. Just order the product and then you could, easily film videos for it. Let's keep scrolling. Try to find something that really makes sense to upsell that you could bundle very easily. Oh, so this right here makes sense because somebody has a big house, they're gonna want more than one for their house. They're not just gonna get one, so you could market it that way, and people would bundle it together and maybe sell a 3-pack for a better deal. And you could very easily make creatives for this. Keep going. This one too this kind of shows what I'm talking about, where you could bundle this easily. Obviously, Christmas is coming up and people want to, buy things for their friends and family, and you can see they're showing different colors in the ad. This would be very easy to make creatives for as well. That's a good one. As you can see, obviously you could find tons and tons of products here. This one right here, you could bundle together. People are gonna want more than just a couple of these for their friends or for their kids. Like I said, it's Christmas, and people are in that mindset of buying more than one thing. So you gotta make sure you market the product so that tell them that they could buy one for their friends or their family, and you could definitely sell more than just 1 pack. Maybe you sell a 3-pack for a bundle. But yeah, if you're just choosing products based off like it has a wow factor and it solves a problem, then you basically would be stuck. You'd look at all these products and you wouldn't know what to choose. So yeah, keep scrolling through here, and obviously there's tons and tons of products. You can put other filters up in here. Just scroll back to the top. And you could put like free shipping or 60% off, shop now. Those are all things people put in their ads, so you could definitely find a lot of products doing this. So another criteria I didn't mention, I forgot to mention, is this is kind of what everybody says, but it's definitely important when you run ads. You want to find products that have, a decent margin. I would personally stay away from products that are at less than $20 because you're not gonna have that big of a margin. And when it comes to ads, you want some space for ad spend, and on top of that, cost of goods. So I'd say at least a $20 margin is good, and that's gonna let you be profitable on running ads and give you some money to spend for each purchase, and give you that way. If you're getting like a $10-15 CPA, you're still making money and you're still profiting. So yeah, when you scroll through here, just make sure you're looking for those different criterias, and you're as strict as you can be with each of them. I would probably put all these, you can click on them and then you can copy this link and put it on a spreadsheet. So this is a very good example right here. It's just something that people would want more than one of. So you could bet, as you can see here, they're doing a buy 2 get 1 free plus a free gift. So that's something you guys want to do when looking for products. You want to think of different offers and different bundles you could do, so people would buy more than one, and obviously you gotta have a product that's like I said, a no-brainer to sell more than one of. So that's the first tool I was talking about. The second one is PP ads. Gotta go PP. Alright, so this one is like a basic ad spy tool. Same thing for this. I'm not gonna go too in depth on this. You guys can do this, but I would filter this by United States. Basically this PP ads, you can buy like a $1 free trial, and I just get the $1 trial and make a new account every time, so I don't really use this as much as I do the other tool. So right here, just filter by e-commerce, put USA, call to action button, put shop now. E-com platform, you can put Shopify, ad type, video, and then you can filter it by likes, and you just want to, like I said, just scroll through here and add them to your spreadsheet. And then like I said, you want to put them all down in a spreadsheet and make sure you're filtering them by different criteria that they meet. Whatever product has the meets the most criteria, that's the product you want to run, and you want to try those products. Because like I said, you're gonna be wasting time if you're just trying whatever and you're trying products based off the super basic criteria that everybody follows. The more strict you are with your product research, the better chance you're gonna have of the product actually working. And then the third one would be the Facebook ad library. So this one, same thing as the TikTok library. Take a second to load. So this one, same thing, you want to put it like all ads, and then in here put like 50% off. Search the filters, you want to put English, put all advertisers, and then make sure you put active ads that are running, and then you could put the date, put 2022. Make sure you put English. And then just hit apply. And you can scroll through here and find different products. You just want to make sure you're, like I said, just meeting all those criteria, and you can scroll through here, use those filters I told you. My bad, my computer's being slow right now, but you guys get the basic gist of it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to come in here and make a quick video for you guys on product research. It's not that difficult. Just look for good criteria. Like I said, if you guys want to know my system exactly, and you guys are serious about figuring this out and getting getting your Shopify store to work, and just hit me up on Instagram. You could DM me at FitsTheKid. Also, I'm gonna put the link to my Discord down in the bottom. I have a free Discord that you guys can join anytime. Here it is. So it's called Ecom Tutors. You guys come in here and there's a free chat. And you guys can talk through whatever, ask me any questions. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what videos you want to see from me next, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah, don't you cut me out, cause bitch, I really cut your mouth. Tryna take me out, cause bitch, I'm tryna make it out. Hey, don't you cut me out, cause bitch, I really cut you out. Spin the block one time and bitch, I air it out. Hey, don't you cut me out, cause bitch, I really cut your mouth.